In this tutorial, we will look at how you can use Immersive Reader while doing a Flipgrid activity. All right, so here I am at the Flipgrid activity that my teacher assigned to me. And I'm going to scroll down the page here where the topic title is, and underneath that are the topic instructions. So let's say I'm a struggling reader, or perhaps English is not my first language, and I would like some help dissecting this text. Well, just below this, I can click on the Immersive Reader icon. This will now strip away all the noise except the text that I need to understand. And so with this, I can now go up to my text preferences up here in the corner, and I can adjust the size of the text. I can also increase or decrease the spacing between the words. I can change the font. And finally, I can adjust the color contrast to something that is most suitable for me. Okay, and once that is done, I can also go up here to grammar options. And this is great for students who are learning to read. They can break out syllables, they can show nouns and verbs, etc. And then finally, this third option is the reading preferences. And this is powerful because we can do a line focus where we see one line at a time or three. We can also turn on the picture dictionary, which helps us understand some of the words by providing a picture of the word. You can also play back the word right here.
Kitchen, kitchen.
And the other thing that's really powerful here in the reading preferences is translate. That's right, I can have this text translated into the language of my choice, and I'm going to make sure that the whole document is translated, and now I can read this in my home language. I can also quickly click back to the original and then back to the translation. Finally, what you can do here is have it read back to you. So I simply click the play button here at the bottom.
The kitchen to show and prove your answer. Which is greater, 1 gallon or 5 ounces?
I also have voice settings where I can adjust the speed of the voice, or I can choose a male or female voice.
Ounces. Use measuring cups from the kitchen to show and prove your answer. Which is greater?
Now, you're probably wondering, well, what about the translation? Yes, I can go to the translated language and have that played back in that language.
¿Cuál es mayor, 1 galón o 5 onzas? Utilice tazas de medición de la cocina para mostrar y demostrar su respuesta.
And when I'm done, and I've now understand my instructions, I'm going to click this large back arrow to get back to my Flipgrid activity, where I can now click and create my video. All right, and that is how you use Immersive Reader in Flipgrid.